What's good? If you're looking for the best hashtag generator online, go to metahashtag.com. Three reasons why it's the best hashtag generator. Number one, it's free. Number two, they give you enough data to rank your post on Instagram for specific hashtags. And number three is it helps you grow your audience organically. And the way it does that, let me go to the site real quick. Okay, so as we can see here, this is the data that Meta Hashtag gives us. The first number is the number of posts that are utilizing this hashtag. The second number, the 9.8 thousand, that's the average amount of posts per hour that actually utilize the hashtag as well. The 478 is the average amount of likes that the top post, the top ranking post for that hashtag. The 164 is the minimum likes of the average top post, and 17 is the average amount of comments that the top posts get for that hashtag. And if you want to see, I'm gonna show you on Instagram. Here we see the hashtag for music, and these are the top ranking posts. You want to rank in the top 9 posts. Now, you also want to be realistic with how much engagement your post is getting, because that'll allow you to know, okay, I can rank for this hashtag or I can rank for that hashtag. If we keep scrolling down on Meta Hashtag, it'll actually take us to less popular hashtags, but that are still relevant to music. Right here, if you go to pop musician, it's only 49,000 posts. There's only 8 posts on average per hour. The top posts get about 405 likes. The top post minimum amount of likes is about 108. And the average, the top ranking post average around 25 comments. So if you know that your posts get around so many likes, so many comments every time you post, then you can actually go in here and use hashtags that you can actually rank for and get your post in front of an audience organically and grow naturally. And the more you grow, the more popular hashtags you can rank for. And it's just an ongoing process of growth on Instagram. So again, the best hashtag generator on Instagram is metahashtags.com. It's free. Any other site that's giving you this type of data is actually charging you for it. Like, I don't know anybody else that's giving you this for free. Let me go over. I want to show you a post that we actually utilize, metahashtags.com hashtags, and we're still receiving views for that post, likes, comments to this day. This is the post. If we go to the post insight, you can see the reach, the like, the comments, the shares, the repost. Let me see. If we go back to here, you can see 3 days ago, this post was posted April the 30th, if I'm not mistaken. 3 days ago, people are still liking it and viewing it. Let's see, 5 days ago. 5 days ago. That's the good thing about hashtags and knowing how to utilize them, because it allows you to reach audiences that are not following you, that you might not have this reach unless you actually pay for Instagram ad or anything like that. So this is just a way to help you build and grow on Instagram using hashtags. Go to metahashtags.com. They're the best. They're free. Peace.